Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how can you share Instagram TV, that is IGTV video, over Instagram or any other social media platform. So before we get started, if you like such content, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, you need to update your Instagram from Play Store. So once it is done, you can open your Instagram and you can go to your home section. So once you go on home section, on the top right you can see IGTV icon is here. So we need to click on this one. So once you click on this one, you can see much more videos is here. You can select any category. Like for now I will select any one video and I will show you how we can share this video. Like for now I'm selecting this video. So once you select this video, just press your finger on the screen and scroll down. So once you scroll down, this will be minimized. So it is done. As you can see here, the first one is like icon, the second one is comment, and the third one is share. But if you want to share this video in other social media platform, then just click on this three dot. So once you click on this three dot, here copy link option is here. Just click on this one. This link will be copied and minimize it and share wherever you want to share this video. Like for now I will share this video in WhatsApp. So I will paste this link. So now let's check this link is working or not. So now I will click on this link. So as I have clicked, you can see this video is open. So in this way, how you can share any video from Instagram TV to any other social media platform. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any comment related to Instagram or any doubt related to Instagram, you can comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.